go away.
What's going on, guys? Ah, don't. You touch it. Are you serious? Anyway. What's going on, guys? Gavin from G9 Productions. Today is 337 Takeover Part 2. I'm excited for it. There's a fit in.
Let me count this. My hair's sticking out.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
How's it going? Grayson?
What should I do for Aiden?
Oh, she's so shiny. Is that Timmy? Hey, ignore me. You know what's crazy? I'm usually at this place in like March, just because of the fact of what she said. That old Judy and a Luma Duty. Okay, I really need to get one. No, I'm not doing this.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
I want to get a strut plate.
Yes.
Look, Aiden.
Motherfucker said, fuck it. He said, I'm gonna hit a day before.
Yeah, that's Nick. I forgot Nick's last name. Or I know his last name, I just don't know how to say it.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Sticks. Alright, where we at?
337 Takeover?
Yeah, part 2. How we feeling about just everything in general?
They got some clean ass cars over here, bro. Trucks, you know, I see it every fucking day.
Well, yeah, we in the truck scene. Oh, I see.
Hey, Gavin, your boo's here, huh?
No. My boo is right here, not over there.
Yeah, she's right there.
With the baby.
Type shit.
Dude, the strut is long as hell.
Mad, bro.
How many alternators he's got?
About 6, 7.
We don't need Dick revving up his truck again. We'll be able to see where we're going.
I'm in the ghetto.
So what do you think? A little behind the scenes action.
It's so pretty.
This is way behind the scenes action. This is some content that I never really thought I'd do.
Right?
Yeah.
What we doing, Gavin?
I don't know. We had some.
Are we about to still subtract this?
I mean, yeah, we can. I mean, this is a 440 horse.
No, definitely the full dust.
If you like today's video, actually, hold on. So today, it's kind of like the next day after the show. The show was amazing. Kind of upset me is that they didn't judge general admission. They only judged VIP. Anyway, it's whatever. Very windy in Louisiana now. So in a little bit, I'm fixing to leave my house. I'm gonna go bring Ari home, and then we gotta go to Lafayette to go meet everybody at Walmart, because I'm a big kind of community, family oriented guy. I'm not really into the truck scene for the fame or for the money or just anything like that. I'm in it because I like to be in it, and it's trucks. So I seen on Facebook the other day in a group that that a little boy's mom, it's a little boy's birthday. She asked everybody, cars, trucks, bikes, to gather up and make it to where, and make it so it's like a parade. So that's what me, my old lady's fixing to go do. We're gonna go do that, then we could come back to the house at the time. So the next clips is that. So anyway, this could be the outro, the end, and then whatever I film after. So hope you enjoyed today's video. It was absolutely fun to film. I actually did all the filming myself this time, which is a big step up for me because I'm shy. I'm not gonna lie. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.
We're going slow as fuck. Okay. Hey, only way to go out, baby. Let's do it like that, baby.
Man, fucking in the fucking yard.
Hey,
Hold your ear.
hold your ear real quick.
Hold your ear.
Hold your ear. Hold your ear. Hold it real quick. Hey, hold his ear too. Hold his ear too. Hey, is it loud? Yeah, it's very loud. Hey, you gotta push it and then pull it back. Okay.